Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be revealing a feature you've probably ignored a lot of times inside of Canva, and this feature can help you edit photos like this and that. And look, let me just tell you, this feature would make it so easy when it comes to editing photos, and you're going to enjoy the whole process. So I will walk you through everything you need to know about this feature you have been ignoring. But before we do that, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, and just in case you're on the free version of Canva, there's a link in the description box below that can help you start using Canva Pro for free. So let's dive straight into today's video. Alright, so here we are. You can see very beautiful, and I just had to use my image. Okay, so this is a photo of me, and what we can do to access this feature is first of all come into edit photo. Okay, so in edit photo would first of all be under the effect tab, and make sure you're coming to the adjust. Okay, and adjust, what you're looking for is select area. Okay, and this feature is amazing. So by default, whole image has been selected, but if we click on it, we have two more options, which is the foreground and the background. So let's take a look and see what the foreground does. If we click on it, Canva would first of all analyze our image, and let's see what it says. So you see it says foreground selected, easy and simple, and what it means is any edit we get to make would only be affecting the foreground or the subject of our image. Okay, so if I come in, I increase the brightness, it's just me in the photo that is having the effect applied on. Okay, and if you have the contrast on, you can see what's happening. If we come to blacks, let's increase the blacks, and let's come into saturation and boost it up a little bit, plus the vibrant, okay, as well. Sharpness maybe 9 should be okay, and you can see everything we did only applied to the foreground or the subject of the image. Now if we scroll up and we come to background, okay, the background will be selected, and this means that anything we do now would only affect the background. So I can drag it down with the saturation, and you can see it's black and white, and it's only the background. All right, then with the vibrance we can boost it up, but since the saturation is low, nothing's actually going to happen. So I can boost the blacks, you get it, and we can also boost the contrast of this. The highlights and shadows maybe wouldn't really do much, but we can also apply some temperature to the image. Okay, so depending on what you're looking for, and all this isn't really making any difference because the saturation is already at 0. So you can see how this feature is. Then we can come to whole image to select the whole image, and we can adjust it. Okay, so from here, any effect or anything you do would only apply, or it would apply to everything in this image. So you can see the sharpness applies everywhere, but we wouldn't want to apply any sharpness at all. So this is the feature, and I hope it helps you. But there's one more thing I would want us to take a look at. So let's say we wanted to add some text to this. What can we do? We can also come into effects, and in effect we would come to magic grab. Okay, this feature in here, select it, and Canva should analyze the image again, and once it's done, we can now move me around. You understand? You can see how this is beautiful. So I'll click away, add my text, and I can say hello. Okay, so come here, we will change text. I'll just use the yearbook solid, and I will just make it big. You get it? And I can just place it behind me like this. If I want to make it more dramatic, I can just make the rotation match the building behind me. Okay, and you can see what we have. I can come in here and make the color white, and I think I'll just want to apply some shadows to it. So the color of the shadow will be black, obviously, and the offset would bring it closer, and the blur would add some blur to it, and you can see what we have done. This is very easy, and I hope this throws more light on how you can edit your photos beautifully inside of Canva. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit on the like button, and also share this with your Canva friends. The name is Benjamin. Always remember, there is no limit to creativity, and I should see you in my next video.